Welcome to this Excel tutorial. In this video, we will learn about the statistical functions in Excel. Now here, I have got a list of numbers like from 1 to 9 and these are the functions that we want to try. So let's go for the average first. So if I want to find the average of these numbers, I can type this equal to average and tab, and I have to select the range, and that has to be from A1 till A9. Now close the bracket and press enter. So here the average function will give us the average of the range of numbers that we have selected. So 5 is the average here. And now here the average if. So by the name itself, it has a condition. So it will calculate the average of the numbers if they satisfy a particular condition. So in this case, let's see, I type equal average if. So I want this function, press tab, and I will select the range. And the range would be from A1 till A9, comma, and then now I will specify the condition. Like let's say I want to find the average of the numbers, only those numbers which are greater than 4. Now let's say greater than 4. And now close the bracket. Now press enter. Now it will give us result 7. We have specified we have to find the average of the numbers only if they are greater than 4, which means we have got the average of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the average is 7. And now let's go for the median. It is just simple as we just type equal and we find this median function here and we just select the range of numbers from A1 till A9, close the bracket and enter. So the median is 5. As you know, from 1 to 9 the median would be 5. And now let's see for the mode. So for this mode, since I have given from 1 to 9, let's give one more number here. Let's say 2. Okay. Now let's calculate for the mode. So mode would be equal to mode, and I want this function, and now select the range of cells. That would be from A1 till A10. Close the bracket and press enter. Now we can see that in this range 2 have the highest existence, that is twice in the A2 and in A10. So that's why we have got the mode 2. And now the standard deviation. Now let's see how far the numbers are from the mean. So for this, we just type the function name, which is stdev. So this is the function to find a standard deviation. Now tab, and I just select the range of numbers. So from 1 till 9, let's say. Close the bracket and enter. So this will give us the standard deviation. And for the minimum, as the name itself, we will get the minimum numbers from the range. Now we just use this function min, and we select from A1 till A10. Close the bracket and press enter. As we know, 1 is the minimum in this cell range. And now for the maximum, just like minimum, we just type max and select the range from A1 till A10. Close the bracket and press enter. So the max is 9 in this cell range. Now for the large. Now let's say large will take 2 arguments. One is this range of the cell, and the second is the position, or whatever we can say, the second largest, first largest, or third largest. So that kind of function will be used, and that is large. And let's say I'll just select the range from A1 till A10, and now comma, and I have to specify like which largest I want, the first largest or the second largest or the third largest. So let's say I want the second largest, so I press 2 and then I close the bracket and press enter. Now let's see, yes, we got 8 here because 9 is the largest and then 8 is the second largest in this cell range. Now just like large function, small does the same, but the difference is only that it will calculate from the smallest one. Now again, we select the cell range and we say we want the second smallest number in the cell range. Close the bracket and press enter. Okay, now we got 2 because 2 is the second smallest number in this cell range. So these are the statistical functions in Excel that we can perform in different cell ranges. And thank you for watching this video.